So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video. So today in this video guys, we are going to see all about the Pantheon.io website, using which we can create a website easily. So this website provides us hosting as well as domain also in the free of cost. So today in this video we are going to see all about the Pantheon.io website, how to create the website in the free of cost, free domain, free hosting, everything free. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's check out about the Pantheon.io website guys. Just simply you have to search as Pantheon, as here you can see the icon of the website is the thunder option, and just here you can find this type of the interface, and just accept the all cookies and just hit to the start button, and just you can log in with the sign up button. And after login to the website, just you have to fill the first name, select your country as India, and just accept and just hit on the continue button. And after filling your details, just you can find this type of the interface, and just hit on the create new site button. And after that, here you can find the WordPress option. Just click on the WordPress, and just you have to give a name for your website, as I am giving here coding made easy, and just don't touch out this all the things, and just hit on the continue. These are the servers which are stored in the Canada, Australia, Europe and the European Union and the United States. India, there is a nearby country is the US, so by default I have selected the USA. And just after a couple of minutes, just it will start. Just hit to the visit your Pantheon site dashboard, and after that you have to simultaneously select the language as English, and just you have to select a title and username and the here password and your email ID. Okay, after that hit on the install WordPress, and just here you can see, and just I will here save it, and just I will here hit on the login button, and just here it will autofill when you here save on the Google, and just hit on the login. It will automatically fill, or otherwise you can just fill out. And here you can see that the WordPress is open, and simply if you want to see your site, then here you can see, and just we have not selected the template or the theme, just we will select, and just go to the appearance and move to the themes, and here you can see, and I will choose the template as, and just I will select this template type of template, and just move to the site. And here you can see that our site is ready in front of us. And if we talk about how to edit this site, simply we have to hit on the edit site, and just here you can see different varieties of options are enabled here. And here is the header footer part, and just hit on the here plus icon, and here you can see different types of icons. Here you can see, as just simply I want to showcase my YouTube channel here, so I will scroll down here, and I can find here YouTube embed, and just I will pull out that into here screen, and just I will paste my YouTube channel link, the video which I want to showcase here. And just here you can see the video has came here with the successfully. Yeah, here you can see the video. Okay, and if you want to add some type of the buttons, okay, so simply here you can find the buttons option also here, and here you can see the buttons also, and just drag and drop here. Just here you can see the different types of the buttons are came here, and just that's it. And simply you have to save here, and just hit on this tab, view tab button, and just select the desktop and hit on the view site, and here you can find the website is ready in front of us. Okay, here you can change this all the things in just couple of seconds. I will tell you that how you can change this all the things. Just I am showing you the overall view of the website that we have created, and just you want to change these things, then just simply select it, and just here you can change it. Okay, and here you can simply change the image also, and just here you can change the text, and you can do anything here like drag and drop method. And just here that's it. Today we have shown all about the website in the free of cost, and just that's it guys. And just I will show you this website in the another tab, as here you can see the website is ready in front of us. This part we have added, and just that's it. and just you can customize as per your requirement, and just that's it guys. So today in this video we have shown all about the how to create the website in the WordPress in the free of cost, free domain, free hosting, everything free. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.